Stylish strengthening exercises for newcomers, freshmen doing drive-ups. Pexels. There are numerous ways to make muscular strength and abidance. You can use resistance training machines, dumbbells, barbells, and weight plates, resistance bands, kettlebells, drug balls, sandbags, or indeed your own body weight. Indeed, if you don't have access to a spa, or simply prefer to work out at home or outdoors, there are plenitude of excellent freshman strength training exercises you can do that will make you stronger, increase your muscle mass and description, and reduce body fat. Freshman strength training exercises that use lower weights and an advanced number of reps will increase your muscular abidance, their capability to persist during exercise without busting, while exercises that use heavier weights and smaller reps increase the strength and size of your muscles. Sample freshman total body weight drill. Complete 2 rounds of the following exercises: 25 jumping jacks, 15 bodyweight squats, 20-30 alternate plank walking lunges, 10 per side, 10 drive-ups on knees if you need to, 30 seconds running in place with high knees, 30 seconds Russian twist, 30 seconds shadow boxing, 15 Superman reverse extensions, 15 fraudulent knee triceps dips off the edge of a bench or president. Unbend your legs if they're too easy. Add discipline and motivation, a part of SFG Company.